How to fix Minecraft download problem. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But it's very simple to go ahead and do this. All you want to go ahead and do is press Windows key and I, and then we're going to go over to apps and then installed apps. Now what we want to do is we want to locate Microsoft Store. So I can just go ahead and type in Microsoft Store like so, or I can just go ahead and type in Store. If I don't see it, all I want to go ahead and do is go ahead and scroll down until I find that specific application. And if I can't see on M, then I should go over to S and find it here. If I still don't see it, then an alternative that you can go ahead and do is go to Minecraft for Windows, go to Advanced Options, and then go ahead and click on Repair, because it might be downloaded somewhat, but it might just not be refreshing properly. What I could also do is clear the Microsoft Store cache. So press Windows key and R together, and then press wsreset.exe like so. Press enter. A blank command prompt is going to open. Wait a few seconds until it closes automatically and then opens up the Microsoft Store, and then you should be good to go.